Today, let me talk about self-sabotage. Why am I talking about it? Because when you are in stressful situation, you tend to self-sabotage you, and it makes it even worse. It might just be that there is so much going on that you are totally overwhelmed. And when that happened, we often tend to postpone things, procrastinate tasks. And there is a rule: what you don't do in 72 hours, it is likely that you don't do it at all. So the reason is, why are you postponing things? Because they are, or you think they are so large and huge, you don't know how to handle them, how to tackle them. So one thing is, reduce the height of the hurdle. So say, when I say it in a picture, there are hurdles, and when you're in stress, you've got loads of hurdles to jump over, and this one you are postponing is too high. So take down the height of the hurdle, and you might be able to jump over it. So the next one is shouting, releasing pressure. When you are starting to shout at people, you are not really yourself anymore, and you are getting nasty, so to say, to other people. That is when you are under pressure, and that is when you are really in stress, overwhelmed, and emotionally you are not in a good mood anymore. Might be actually a part of depression as well. So think about it, and it might actually be a sign that you need help from the outside. Next, I've got the increase of coffee and cigarettes. If you realise you are smoking more than you used to, or you're drinking more cups of coffee or mugs of coffee, whatever, it is a sign that you are in stress. And if you kneel your hands and play with them, that might be a sign of reducing tension as well, and it's a sign of stress. So think about it. Just drinking more coffee or smoking a cigarette more is not really a matter of getting help, but it should be a sign for you to think, to reorganize your daily life, your tasks. Perhaps you have to really postpone some tasks in a positive way, in a way that you have to reprioritize your task and to find new solutions. Then we've got keep late hours. When you're in stress, or stressed people often tend to work late because they are not taking any breaks. They are run out of energy, but think when they work longer, they will finish their tasks. And that is a really dangerous way of handling stress. Please do me the favour, if you are working late hours, stop it immediately. Take breaks and stop working at a certain time of day. And then just do what you like to do. You might think she's crazy, or I'm crazy, so to say. No, I'm not. Because if you try to work on a very high level all day long and don't take breaks, don't take relaxing moments, you don't have the energy. And the longer you do that, the worse it will get. And it's not only keeping late hours, it's also working on holidays or weekends. Think about it. And the breaks are there to gain you energy, to be fresh, to be able to concentrate. The more you work without any breaks, the harder it will be for your brain to concentrate as well. So make sure you take the breaks you need. And another sign that might be, especially when you're working late into the night, your alcohol consumption might rise as well. Because the alcohol is, well, you think so, helping you to relax. And it isn't. You are better off when you meditate before going to bed. So why is alcohol consumption so bad? Because it affects your sleeping rhythm. And the REM phase in which we dream is affected. So if you want to know more how the REM phase, so to say, or the sleeping phases are affected, or how you can handle other self-sabotaging methods, I advise you to subscribe to my tips and tricks. These are short, succinct videos to help you to reduce your stress, to manage your stress. And the advantage is you can watch it whenever you need it. And every week there will be a new video coming out